108 or 1008. This is a long train, 2 double deckers. Outbound. No freaking way. Oh my god. It's the new engine. No way, guys. It's the new engine. What number is that? 2029. That's the new engine. Cool. Oh my god, another train! We got the Rotom cab car and a regular cab car. And it's coming to the station! We got 2 Rotom cars. 1 a cab, 1 regular. Oh god, it's gotta be loud! Oh my god, 2 trains have left the station at the same time, with the 1 train in the yard still. Here comes the phase 4 FP40 with the Rotom, with a Rotom. FP40 MH or something like that. And we got that train still back there. And we got a Rotom. New Rotom. Oh my god! What? What is this? What is this? What? Look at this! There's another train! There's another Rotom! And another train is leaving the station! What? This is sick! Hey, there's 2 Rotoms in this train! 2 Rotoms! I think it's a cab car. Oh my... Here it comes! Here it comes! Picking up speed, I think. It's going pretty slow. He's crawling.
Mom's on the 5:35.
Oh, good.
She's going to be leaving in a couple minutes.
Oh, wow, that's good. We'll be able to see her train. Here it comes, MBTA. Here it comes, MBTA. I hope I see the Amtrak Downeaster today. I hope I see it today. I hope I see it today. The Rotom, regular cars, regular cab car, regular cab car. Another train, and it turned off his ditch lights, and now he should be rolling into North Station. As you can see, I don't know if you can see because this thing doesn't zoom. You can see the new MBTA. I forget what the engine's called, but it's the new engine. Yeah, good EMD. Good EMD. Oh, we got another Rotom, and oh, I think I've seen that train on Friday. That's the same train I've seen on Friday. Look at that. Look at them apples. Oh, it's gonna be loud, guys. Oh, yeah, it is the same train I've seen on Friday. Look at them apples. That is totally the same train I've seen on Friday. FP40. And we got another train going outbound. I think it's to Haverhill or Reading. All sorts of stuff. Oh my god, that's rumbling the ground like crazy. The 1027, that's the number of the engine. She ramped up. And we gotta road him. We have a road'em, and I don't see. Oh boy, it's stopping. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, we got a MBTA train inbound coming in. Coming in from Lower Fitchburg into the station. I just hope I see the Downeaster. Oh wait, no, wait, yeah. I just hope I see the Downeaster. There we go. Oh, it's the first style of it. Oh, there's another cab car in there. What? There's like a horn on there. It's like a cab car. Got to take it off. And we got another road'em with an original MBTA Phase 3 FP40. Oh my god, it's 1007, the one with the E-Bill. There's two of them? I thought there was one. I legitimately thought there were one and there's an outbound train. There is an outbound train. There's an outbound train. And we got the new engine coming back again. Pretty cool. Oh, that thing's awesome. Looks like a Star Wars. It looks like a Star Wars game. I mean, not game. Star Wars ship. That thing's so cool. That thing is so cool. Looks like a Star Wars ship. Comes the cab car. Oh my god, guys, there's two MBTA trains leaving at the same time. At the same time! Woohoo! Is there any rodems in this? No rodem. And I see the other train! Guys, the Amtrak Downeaster's leaving soon. Oh my god. Hey Dad, look. Road'em. This has 4 cars instead of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 cars. Only 4. Are you serious? That's rare. And we got a road'em. And we got the engine. We just got 2 more trains and we're still waiting for the Downeaster. Still waiting for the Downeaster to leave the station. Yeah, I know, there's 2. I think one of them is the one I saw yesterday or Friday. Oh, 1007, the one with the E-Bill. railroad them. Oh, that's loudish. 11:38. And the Downeaster should be leaving. No way, it's the Downeaster. Oh my. And we're gonna play some tunes. P42 Genesis. Number Cafe car. Cabbage MP40. Nice! We did it! That's why I was here. No, I'm just kidding. Just here to railvan trains.